Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain you how you can remove the shipping calculation message at checkout on Shopify. So let's jump right into it. By default, Shopify shows a message like taxes and shipping calculated at checkout. If you want to remove or change that, here's how. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Online Store under Sales Channels. Now, on the right, find your current theme, click the three dots, and select Edit Default Theme Content. This will take you to a screen with various content sections. At the top, click on the Sections tab. Scroll down until you find the part that says something like Taxes and Shipping Calculated at Checkout. Now, simply delete that text. You can leave it blank or replace it with something like Free Worldwide Shipping. Update the same text in all relevant boxes below for consistency. Once you're done, click Save at the top to apply the changes.